Hey everybody, Courtney here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to me. If this is your first time with me, thank you so much for clicking on my video. I do appreciate it. I know you didn't have to. If you like the video, please give me that thumbs up, tap subscribe, hit the bell, and I will support you back. You know I will. If this is not your first time with me, then hello. So today I have received finally my BoxyLuxe. And this is BoxyLuxe for March 2019. So I know most everybody else have already gotten their BoxyLuxe. But I always record, and there's a reason why I want to do this one. So if you're interested in seeing this, just keep on watching. So most of you already know BoxyLuxe is an add-on to BoxyCharm, and it is, they've changed it where every third month you are getting charged one charge, not two. So it's $49.99 for the subscription for BoxyLuxe every third month. So, and then on the months that they don't have BoxyLuxe, you get charged $21.99 for BoxyCharm. So if you would like to join BoxyLuxe or BoxyCharm or try one of them, I always leave my link down below. You can use it. It's fine to get charged for the little charm room, but I'm still going to show you what's in the box. So this month, I do know what's in the box because everybody else has gotten theirs. But this theme for this one is rose theme, which I think is beautiful. I love this piece of paper. This reminds me of my grandma. It's very pretty. It's probably my favorite thing in the box. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so we all know about the bag. We all got the bag, the real pretty rainbow reflective bag. It says that it's a BoxyCharm train case for $20. So that's pretty awesome. I haven't opened this yet. Next I have here is the Iconic London eyebrow cushion. It says Be Iconic on it. And honestly, I have to say that I'm a little excited about trying this. The retail price on this is $40. I have seen this opened, but I will open it for you guys. It's in a very beautiful rose gold packaging. This is what it looks like. Hello lights and camera. But it's very pretty. I really do. Ooh, hello Jar Lippies. So like I said, I have seen this open. The one thing that I think is really cool about this is the brush. It comes like this, and then you fold it out. This is a really cool looking spoolie. I don't know what I'm doing. All right. It's like long on one end and short on the other, and then it's a really, really nice feeling. So to open this, you have to actually pull the tab. I'm not going to do that right now because I really don't have time. But I'll do a video on this because this will be interesting for me to try, because I don't know how to sculpt my brows, because I just don't. I just like brush them and use like some, like they're not done right now. They're just, yeah. Anyways, moving on. Okay, so next thing I see is these beautiful lily lashes, which I think are gorgeous. I love the different packaging that they've come out with, like with the rose gold packaging, in the Gaia. And I think these are gorgeous. I love these. I think that they are beautiful. They're almost like 3D. They're really pretty. So these retail for $24.99. So that's a pretty expensive pair of lashes. Okay, so we also have the It Confidence in a Cream, and we all know what this is. This is just a beautiful package. My grammar today is not right. This is beautiful packaging on this. I've always loved the It Confidence in a Cream products and the Confidence products. It's actually a ginormous tub of this. I mean, and it's super heavy. So that's really nice. I'm glad to get that. I do love this product. And I do know that this retails for $48, which basically pays for your box, which I know everybody keeps saying that, but there's a few things in here that pay for the box. So, because this stuff is really, 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 really good, and it goes a long way. Little goes a long way. So that big thing will last forever. So just the fact that, you know, you get that, I think that's amazing. It's probably one of my favorite things in there. All right, so next we have, I'm excited about these. I'm excited that I got these instead of the other, but these are the Deborah Lippmann polishes. And I have not seen these up close and personal, so I do want to open these. because I have started painting my nails again. They're not painted right now, but I have started painting my nails again, so I am excited about using these. Ooh, those are very pretty. I think I like, because I just took fingernail polish off my nails. That was this color. And so I think I'm going to use these together, and I'm going to put this one on my accent nail, because my accent nails are my ring fingers, and then I'm going to use this on the rest of my nails, and then I'll show you guys how it goes. But I'm excited about the nail polish for sure. These retail for $20, so that's some pretty good nail polish. Alright, next I got these brushes, and I am excited about opening these and looking at these on my own. These are the Moda brushes. The powder and soft glow kit, they retail for $29.99. I think that is insane that they retail for $29.99, guys. Seriously, $29.99. I love the way that these are shaped. They're very soft. I love Moda and Royal and Langnickel brushes. They are some of my favorite brushes as far as synthetic brushes go. These feel really nice, but like a contour, which I will use this today. And this brush I was really excited about because I don't have a brush like this. Has this long, and what I want to use this for is working under the eyes, and you know, kind of sweeping brightening powder under the eyes in a very light way, and up here into the forehead. You know, you could always, I know it's a highlighting brush, you can use it for highlight, whatever, but this is why I was really excited about it, because I like this shape, I like the size, and I think it's really good for that. So, alright, so as far as this Morphe palette, I did not get the one that I wanted. I got the 15N, and this is the Night Master. This is actually one of the two that I did not want, so I'm not too happy with this. I don't like the colors in here. There's only like one row of colors that I would even use in here. I will not use either of these. I may use the bone color, but I've got that in other shades. Now, I would use this whole row, but that's it. So, either I'm going to give this away, or I'm going to try to trade with somebody. What I wanted was the 15H or the 15B. So, I'm going to see about trading with somebody on this, or if not, then I'll put it in my giveaway, which by the time you guys see this will have already ended. So congratulations to whoever won the giveaway. My 1-year anniversary. I'm super happy about that. But the Morphe palette retails for $16, so that's a pretty good deal for the Morphe palette. I do not like the new Morphe formula. I don't, and you guys might have already seen the, I don't know if you have or not, but I did a review on one of the new Morphe formula palettes, and I was not a happy girl with it, so I am going to end up taking it back. Okay, so the next thing I got was this Cover FX palette. I did get the right one. I got the light to medium one, and I'm loving on it. I really do. I love it. This is what it looks like on the inside. The blush is very, very pinky and pretty, and I love it. Yeah, I'll be using that as a highlighter. Yeah, that's very pretty. So I don't have any highlight on right now, so I was gonna go back and use this before I go to work. That retails for $45, so that's a lot. All right, and then we have this Warner Beauty Liftoff Mask, and I have to do it. I gotta do it. This does have a safety seal on it. I love Warner Beauty products. They're like my favorite. I love them. I love the mascaras. I love the lippies. I love the basically everything about them. It's like a rosy pink color. I'm gonna let that dry, and then what I'll do is I'll cut the video, and I'll come back and peel it off. When I was a kid, and I'm like feeling like that's what it's gonna be like to take this stuff off my hand, like peeling glue off your hand when you're a kid. I used to do that. I was that kid. I was totally that kid. Alright, so the next thing in here and the last thing in here is the Becca Love Lipstick, and it's the Ultimate Lipstick Love, and I got the color Dusk. It is a warm tone. And it's actually really, it's pretty. It's a lot prettier than some of the other ones I've seen. This is what it looks like. And then this is the color. It is a warm tone though. I mean, I think it's pretty. As far as the value on this BoxyLuxe, this is a good one. I mean, it's for what they claim to have been, you know, the value for it. I think my favorite thing in here is this palette. Definitely don't like the Morphe palette. I love the brushes. I love the eyebrow product. I can't wait to use that. I love the Allure Beauty mask. I forgot to see if it smells. It's not rosy. It's not rosy smelling. It smells kind of like clean. It smells clean. I don't know. It's not like rosy. I don't like rosy. The lashes I love. The cosmetic, you know, the It Cosmetics in a cream, Cosmetic cream I love. The lipstick, you know, it's leave it or take it. The Morphe palette I don't like. The nail polish I love, and the train case I like. I've been going back and forth with BoxyCharm since February. My February box was late. My January box was late. My BoxyLuxe. I just can't believe that after all of this, the BoxyLuxe was that late. But basically, their customer service is horrible. I cannot get them to contact me back. When I email them one time, because then I'm going to have people saying, well, you can't email them more than once. One time I emailed them. For example, I emailed them on the 4th because I wasn't going to get BoxyLuxe. So I emailed them on the 4th. Didn't contact me back by email until the 11th. Since the 11th, I have not heard anything back from them on the issue of my items in February being so late. It's a lot to it, but all this to say, I will not, this is my last and final Boxy product. It is. So this BoxyLuxe, I will not be getting BoxyLuxe or BoxyCharm anymore. I am canceling. Actually, I am canceled as of now. And there's a lot of reasons for it. Mostly because, you know, I know how time sensitive these things are, and, you know, I've given them 3 months to kind of try to get it together, and they haven't. And the fact that it's kind of expensive, and they take that money out the first of the month every month, but, you know, they want to wait and send it, especially if you know, if you tell them, hey, I'm a vlogger, I do unboxings, they're time sensitive, can you please send it to me? Because one thing that really bothers me is that people who are influencers get their boxes for free, and they get their boxes way early. I'm like, this doesn't make any sense. It really doesn't. But I've got Ipsy Plus, who's actually sending me things that I love. There's only a few things in Ipsy Plus so far that I've gotten that I haven't loved. It's $25 a month, and they send it on time every month, and when they don't, they credit your money back for that month, or they give you an extra product, or they give you the next month for free, or they do something to make it better. BoxyCharm has not done anything to make any mistakes that they have made with me better at all. So that's the reason why this is my last one. So, all right, I'm going to try to peel it off now. So let's see if we can do that. See if we can get it peeled. Ooh. It's working. Guys, look. That's really cool. Oh man, I can't wait to get on my face and have it do that. That is so satisfying. Peeling that off. I don't know what it is. Look. I love it. So anyways, that's awesome. Way to go, Allure Beauty. It really does feel like glue. That's where I am, and you guys, I don't want anybody to be mad with me about it. That's just the way I feel about it. And I don't, you know, I can't afford it. You know, I'm just gonna have to. And also, this limited edition box that only certain people are going to get, or whatever it is that they're talking about. I don't even know. I'm not 100% sure. So don't quote me on it. If you know about it, put it at the bottom. But you know, I saw something on Instagram or something where April was going to be a limited edition box. Well, let me just tell you something right now. The reason why they did that was because there are so many people that are mad with them because of this BoxyLuxe. and their February boxes not being, you know, correct, or their February boxes not coming in, and everything being on the up and up with that. So, you know, they're going to tell people that they have to fill out this form. Everybody who got these, who didn't get them in the right color, it's a diamond in a rough, is what they told me. It's a diamond in a rough. We can never ever match it up to the right skin tone with the right person. We could never do that. We don't have a way to do that. They have told me that in an email. So this was the luck of the draw. It was the luck of the draw. I think they try, but I just don't think that there's a way. I think they don't have a system that can do it. I really don't. I don't think that there's a way to do it. You don't know. And especially if you got new people who are coming in, and you got new accounts. My hair is all wacky. You got new accounts and all this stuff, and they don't know, you know, and I don't blame them for that, you know. But don't sit there and say, oh, make sure you fill out your thing, because your box is going to depend on this. Your box is going to depend on, you know, if you'll get the wrong palette if you don't fill out your quiz. Well, everybody who I know who got the wrong palette filled out their quiz very well. So I just think that they just kind of put the variations together, and I don't know. I think it depends on how many things that Cover FX sent them, how many light to mediums, how many dark, you know, how many darks they got sent. You know, it doesn't even matter, because if I would have gotten the dark to medium in this, I would have used it. I found a way to use it, and I would have used it fine, because I've seen it. I've seen how it looks in person. And this is really dark, but other than that, there's really nothing else in here that you can't use on light skin, except for this finishing powder. And I don't even know what this finishing powder, why it's this color anyways. I agree, Sherry, I don't know why it's that color either. But anyways, I'm going to leave that alone, but I am going to say farewell to BoxyCharm, BoxyLuxe. This is my last one, and I think this is a good last one to get. I do, because the roses, and I love roses. Just really girly, you know, like this. I'm sitting here with the Metallica shirt on, talking about that with like super dark makeup, but I love rosy stuff. Yeah, as far as like the way it looks, you know, this kind of looks like a little like an old-timey rose to me. So now, don't get me wrong, I do not like the way roses smell, like the rose scent stuff. I don't like that at all. I do not like it at all. I hate that. But I do like the way that the old school roses look, and the macaroons, and just, you know, girly stuff like that. So why is it's like my head is lopsided, you guys. A lopsided head. Anyways, okay, I will leave you guys alone, but I'm not even going to total up how much this was. It was a lot. I'm saying farewell to Boxy and BoxyCharm and BoxyLuxe, and you guys let me know what you think about it at the bottom, and thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys on my next video, and congrats to the winner of the giveaway. Hopefully I have already posted that. If not, it will be coming soon, and I will see you guys on my next video. I love you, but I will not argue with y'all. Bye.